Okay, so when we create a function that really returns only one thing to the main program, we should be using value returning functions as is shown right here. I know that students aren't often fans of value returning functions, and you sometimes realize on your own that if you want to return one value, you can use one reference parameter. So it's not terrible programming practice, but it's not great. And I'll show you an example here just to demonstrate that structures can also be reference parameters. So what I'm going to do instead of this, I'm going to change this to a void function. And I'm going to use this one reference parameter to return that information out. So now my variable is in the parameter list. I don't need it here. And I don't need a return statement because this is a void function. Okay. So now I'm going to copy this. And up here I'm going to replace this prototype with my new one. And now I have to update my function call as well. It's going to be a standalone statement because it's a void function now. Okay, and I'm going to pass it the one parameter. And if I run this, it's going to run just as it did before. Okay, you don't need to watch that again. Alright, so here I've demonstrated structures and functions. It's important that the prototype go after the structure, and I've also demonstrated that you can use them as reference parameters, as in this example. You can use them as value parameters in this example, just like you do any other data type, and you can also use them in value returning functions as well.